Video games are often a fun escape from reality, though they're often thought of as lazy, unhelpful, and a waste of time. But is that all lies? Before we get started, it's important to remember that too much of anything is bad, even vegetables. Okay, let's get straight into it. You might think that video games are bad for you. However, a growing body of research shows that video games might actually be good for you. In fact, there are a lot of things that they can improve. BBC Future states, video games can help people see better, learn more quickly, develop greater mental focus, become more spatially aware, estimate more accurately, and multitask more effectively. Some video games can even make young people more empathetic, helpful, and sharing. Plus, some video games are made for educational purposes. While you're probably not playing your favorite game for that reason, educational video games are being used all over the world in classrooms. Some brain teaser games are made for old are actually known to be slowing down the aging process by 7 whole years. But does that mean all the bad things you heard about video games are wrong? No. Video games can actually be really bad for you. They can cause violent behavior, and your eyes will suffer a lot if you play too much. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't play some every once in a while. Video games can be a great way to relieve stress and can be really fun when playing with family and friends. However, you should spend some time outside and make your life diverse. To protect your eyes, do the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet or more away for 20 seconds. And don't play video games 24/7, of course. This video was just to say that video games aren't all bad. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you get notified every single time I put a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!